It's time to build another gaming PC, and well, it's gonna be a bit different this time around. This is my son. His name is also Greg, and he wants to build in this case here, like badly. He's been asking me for a very long time, so I told him now we can finally do it. Now, Bogo, what is? I tell him this is what I call it. What is a computer? It's this. See, we're on the right track already. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Do you know who's watching?
No.
Oma and Opa are watching.
Oh.
Yeah, they're gonna be watching this.
Hi.
What do you like the most about this case here?
Red and blue.
You like the red and blue?
Yeah, and yellow.
Yeah.
And white.
Yeah. Are those your favorite colors?
Yeah.
So apart from the N1 case, which by the way, we already have a dedicated video on, you can check that out. I'll link it below. We've also got these parts here. This is, to be completely honest, I mean, he's only like 3 years old. You're 3, right? Are you 3 years old?
I'm 16 kilos.
And 16 kilos. Nice, kid knows his stuff. All right, so all of this is gonna go in the build, and I know that even this stuff here, I mean, we got a 1660 Super, like nothing super fancy, but it's definitely super fancy for a 3-year-old. So before you get your panties in a wad, I just want to say that this rig is not going to be heavily used by him yet, and he won't have internet access. He won't really be able to do much on it at all at his age, but I'm going to work him into it slowly, and I think this case is a great way to get him interested in PC building because it looks so childish, not to insult the case, but yeah, the colors definitely fit someone of his demographic. So to remove this panel, all you have to do is just pull back until it pops out. And then you gotta do that for all 4 corners. Pull this one out. Gotta pull kind of hard.
I can't do it.
That's probably a good thing. All right, so that one's out. And then this one here, pull out. And then one more, pull out real hard. There you go. Okay, now the whole panel comes off. Okay, you gotta be real careful with this. Yeah, see? Oh, you spinning the wheels in there?
Yeah.
And then we got 2 more of those wheels up top, huh? And those, guess what? Those have lights in them. And the lights can turn colors.
Oh, and turn blue and red?
They can turn blue and red. Yes, exactly. So I think it's safe to say he's a pretty big fan of this case, and I think it's about time we actually start building. Are you guys ready? Stay with us. If you're looking for an all-in-one cybersecurity solution, check out Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office, formerly Acronis True Image, specializing in data backup as well as anti-malware solutions from data protection to threat prevention. So let's set up a hypothetical. Let's say you've got a huge stash of important documents stored in your local machine, and you're looking for a cloud-based backup solution. Acronis has you covered. And now let's say you have an itch to protect said data from attacks while it sits online. Acronis has you covered there as well, and you can easily restore information to new hardware in the event of a disaster. Their goal was to simplify the experience for the end user by unifying 2 otherwise standalone paid solutions, saving both money and hassle. It's very easy to get started, by the way. Click the sponsor link below and choose a cyber protection plan that meets your needs, ranging up to 5 computers and 5 terabytes of cloud storage. Acronis does the rest, everything from backup to threat prevention and restoration. Use our 30% discount code Salazar2023, SALAZAR 2023, and give Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office a shot today. Okay, buddy, what's the first thing we need to do when we build a computer? What, the cables? Close. You're on the right track. Okay, we gotta start with this box here. You wanna bring that to the table?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and bring that one. Be real careful. And then we'll bring this. We'll bring this RAM, and then also the storage drive right there. You bring that. No, not the whole box. Well, actually, yeah, you can bring the whole box, and then also bring that on top of it. Okay. Yep, and then bring the box too. Yeah, because we got to build everything on top of that.
Can I hold that?
Okay. Oh, you want me to hold it? Okay.
Yeah, because that's gonna drop.
Okay, cool. All right, bring it over here. So we got to build the platform on the box.
That one's real heavy.
Is it real heavy? Yeah, that's because there's computer parts in there. Be real careful. Okay. Wow. Okay, here, let's lower this a little bit for you. And then go ahead and set it right on top of the box here.
Okay.
All right, nice. Looking good. I actually don't even know why I told him to bring this. We don't need this yet, so I'm going all out of order here. Okay, we need to install this. Do you know what this is called?
Yeah.
What's it called?
I don't know.
You don't, but you said you know.
It's a CD.
It's a CPU.
CD.
It's not a CD. Okay, I'm gonna open this for you because it's it's a little heavy. All right, and now you gotta take this out of the plastic. Can you go ahead and open it for me? All right, now just like that. Be super careful. We gotta be super careful with this, okay?
Where can I put it?
Okay, we gotta put it in here, but you don't wanna mess this up. Okay. I think Dada's gonna help you a little bit. Very slowly here. Just gonna lower it. Don't push. Just gonna drop it just like this. Okay, there you go. See?
You'll close it?
Yeah, go ahead and close it. Okay. And then Dada's gonna push down really hard on this. And you wanna take that black piece for me?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, buddy. You installed a CPU. See, that wasn't so hard, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, the next thing we gotta do is install these. Do you know what these are called?
Yeah.
What are those called?
I don't know.
You don't, but you said you know.
CD.
There's also CDs, that's right. Okay, so we need to install these into these slots here. See these two metal slots? Now we need you first to pull back on these tabs. Can you do that for me? You gotta push them backwards. There you go, and do one more. There you go, now push hard. And push really hard again. Good job. See, that's not so hard, right?
No.
See? Even a 3-year-old can do it. Hey buddy, guess what?
Yeah.
The next part, we need a screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Yeah, you wanna go get your screwdriver in your room? You wanna go get it?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. I'll wait right here for you, okay? This should do. Oh, you got a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. I think maybe we need a little smaller one. So Dada's got you this one right here. You want to use this screwdriver?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll use this one.
Can I hold this one?
Yeah, I'll take this one. Keep pushing down on it and then keep twisting. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. You see that screw's coming up there?
Yeah.
Go ahead and pull that out. Nice. There you go. Okay, now we just have one more here. Okay. Go ahead and twist that one. This is where you put your video games.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna want video games like Minecraft, right? Yeah, we want to make sure. Okay, so this one we got to flip upside down here. There we go. And now we got to put this right back on the top where we had it. Yep, just like that. And then we got to put the 2 screws back in.
Yeah, these ones.
Yep, those right there. Okay, and that's it, buddy. You did it. You got the whole platform ready to go except for the CPU cooler, which we need to put on top of this here. Do you know which one it is? That one. All right, bring that one over to the table for me. There you go. This is a big tower. It's going to keep our CPU nice and cool. I think it's a T120 RGB from NGXT.
It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun?
Yeah.
I told you it's pretty cool. You know, Dada builds computers all the time.
I build all my computers all the time too.
You gonna build your computers all the time too?
Yeah, when I'm older.
Oh, when you're older?
Yeah, and then I bought 2 computers that are broken, and I built them when I'm older.
Oh, so you're gonna buy broken computers, huh? And you're gonna fix them when you're older?
Yeah.
We gotta be real careful with this. I need you to pull up on the box for me. Pull straight up. There you go.
Cool.
And there's the CPU cooler right in there.
Does it have a fan? Where's
Yeah, it's got a fan. It's that thing right there hanging off the side, see? Okay, now the first thing we gotta do, buddy, is we gotta put this on. Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
That right there is called thermal paste.
The real paste.
And it helps make the CPU nice and cool, okay?
Where does it go?
It goes right on top of this right here. Just like that. Good job, buddy.
Why do you put it on there?
We gotta put it on there to make sure that the
I want
CPU
to
stays
touch
cool.
it.
No, don't touch it. This stuff is kind of nasty. You want to peel that purple sticker on the top there? Peel it off for me. Almost. There you go. Looking good. And now, you want to grab this with me? We're gonna put this right on top of the CPU. You ready?
Where's the bigger screwdriver?
It's in there. That one? Yeah, there you go. Bring that one over here. Keep twisting. Almost there. Okay, see, we got the fan installed now. Okay, what do you want to do next?
Put it inside there.
Bravo, good job. Okay, so we got to be super careful when we do that.
Can I hold this because this is super heavy.
Yeah, I'll hold it for you. Okay, we're gonna move these cables out of the way. Tell you what, can you come over here and hold these cables for me?
Yeah.
Just hold them just like that. What's up, buddy?
That one.
Oh yeah, we haven't done that one yet. That's gonna be one of the last things we do. And that's the real cool part because it's got 2 fans on it.
I want to open it already.
Okay, in a minute, we gotta finish this over here and we gotta connect in all the cables. I know, it's the boring part.
1, 2, 3, Four.
It has 4 fans?
Yeah.
Wow. And then when the graphics card goes in, it's going to have 2 more fans.
Yeah.
How many is that going to be in total?
So many.
Bravo, that's 6.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Those are y'all.
That's a lot of fans. All right, there we go. Took care of wiring for him. And now what's next, buddy? There you go. Bravo. Bring that over here. Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What's this one?
It's a fan.
It's a fan. Can you pull up on that one right there? Wow, okay, and look at that. Okay, buddy, we got our cables connected, and we've got the bracket up top connected. This actually support up to full-size ATX power supplies, just not very long ones, but SFX-L here. Pull down really good. Okay, all right, I think it's nice and tight, and then just 2 screws up top. Oh, see, there it goes. Yeah, I told you could take it out, and then you can see the fans from the top there. So if you want to spin them, you just do that. Yep.
I didn't know that.
And then this, we just push it back in. There you go. Okay, that's for CPU power. All right, there you go. That's the other one.
Back?
You don't want to push the cameras back. That's going to hurt the cameras.
It's okay. I can always give it a push.
Oh, you give it pushes, it fixes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Maybe I let you. Just kidding.
Hey!
Just kidding.
Hey!
Okay, now we just have one last part. What, you want to go get it?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. Whoa. See, it's got 2 fans. These are small fans, huh?
Wait, does this open? I didn't.
Yeah, it opens kind of like a door. And then these 2 screws we're gonna move out of the way. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we got it all the way. We're gonna take the screws and we're gonna tighten the graphics card back down. Okay, buddy, it's this one right here. Okay, we gotta connect it like this. Okay, I need you to push down real hard on this cable for me. That's it. Now it's all connected. Alrighty, and I think that fixed the cables. How do you think it looks, Books? You like it?
Yeah.
Now it's time to turn it on for the first time.
Where's the button?
The button? Oh, the button's up front up here. But we gotta plug it in first to make sure that that everything's working. So let's plug it in, and then we'll try turn it on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, buddy. Dada hooked it all up. You ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna plug it.
Okay, you want to push the button? Is it not turning on?
No.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Look at that. Hang on. Did it turn on?
Yeah. Where's the light?
The lights should come on soon.
There we go.
Whoa.
And where's the light?
And the lights on the top there. Okay, so Dada has to order something because there was only one cable or one connector for the RGB. So careful, yeah, don't hurt yourself, buddy. Don't touch the fans when they're spinning. So Dada's got another cable to make this one work, okay? But the other ones already work. That's pretty cool, huh? Dada's gonna install Windows for you, and after that we can set a few things up and your computer will be ready to go, buddy.
Hey, it's open.
I just realized, how do you like
Is he crying?
select boxes with
I
the
just-
keyboard? Huh? Is Leah crying?
Yeah,
Oh, she might have just woke up from her nap. And now we just have to wait. Are you good at waiting, buddy?
Yeah.
You're pretty good at waiting?
Yeah.
Are you patient?
Yeah.
Is Dada patient?
Yeah.
I am?
Yeah.
Oh, your mom wouldn't say that. Okay, buddy, while that's installing, which color do you want on which side? We got the red panel. Do you want to put the red panel here?
The blue one here.
You want to put the blue one on this side?
Yeah, so we can see it.
So you can see the blue. Okay.
And the red goes on the other side.
Gotcha.
So now that we've finished building the PC and installing Windows, one of the very next things you should consider doing is protecting the data on said PC. This being my son's future rig, I, again, don't really expect he'll have too many, let's say, documents to safeguard, but kids being kids will inevitably click on something they shouldn't or download something potentially harmful, a case where having Acronis on your side can really come in handy. Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office will safeguard your info from today's threats, including those never seen before, and provide easy-to-use backups for speedy recovery and minimal downtime. Whether it's a single, silly-looking PC like this one here, or an array of office machines, expect efficient, all-in-one protection and reliable anti-malware baked in with Acronis. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out that link below to get started today. Use code Salazar2023 to save 30% with your home license.
Wait, is it finished, Books?
Yeah.
Did we do it?
Yeah.
Oh, you give a high five, buddy. Bravo, we did it. See, that wasn't so hard, huh?
But now we need to do a video game.
Now we need to do video games?
Yeah.
Okay, like what kind of games you want to play?
Minecraft, because I like Minecraft.
Oh, you want to play Minecraft?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta put Minecraft on here?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I can do that.
Can you put it?
Yeah, I can put it.
Okay, put on.
Okay, I will. Jeez.
So impressed.
Hey, there's yeah.
He did a good job, huh, Mama?
No.
You don't want to be on camera?
No.
Hey! Leah, you're supposed to
That's
be
so
sleeping
cool.
right now.
Hey, you're charging data.
What you doing,
So
Leah?
good, Bugs.
Bugs, you want to show your baby sister what you built?
Yeah,
Wow, it's so good.
You see it, baby? It's pretty cool, huh?
also changes the colors.
Wow.
Those fans up there.
Oh, they changed the color?
Yeah, like red and blue and yellow and purple and green
Are those-
and orange.
And orange. Are those RGB fans?
What's up? Oh, you want me to put on Coco Melon? Just installing NVIDIA drivers right now. And then we can get Minecraft. Don't worry. Don't
Yeah.
worry.
Can you give that all my money for me, for myself, so I can always buy all my race cars that I want?
Wait, you want money so you can buy all the race cars?
Yeah.
Wait, you want money for being in Deada's video?
Yeah, so I can buy all the computers that are broken. I can fix them, and then I can buy all the real cars when I'm older, and then I have lots of money for myself.
Oh, okay. You want a lot of money for yourself, huh?
Yeah, can you give that for me?
I will try. I don't know if I have a lot of money to give. I see what I can do.
Okay,
Okay.
thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome.
Daddy said he see what he. I will get a car from yourself.
Bravo, baby.
That's right, it's broken.
Are you using Deada's screwdrivers?
Hey, this part
Wow.
is broken.
Cannot believe I just bought my son his first computer game. I feel really old now. And all right, there we go. Books, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you gonna grab the mouse right there? You know how to use it? Dada's gonna have to teach you, okay? Okay, now click in right there. Click one more time. No, this one. There you go. It's loading. This is when you can go into the big caves.
Yeah.
You know, I do have to change those fan curves. Holy cow, your system's loud. And there you are. See? Now you're playing Minecraft. And then to go forward is the W.
Okay, did that.
Yeah, like that. See, and then you can move with, you gotta hold the mouse and look around. Well, are you breaking stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
I think he wants to go in a cave.
You think he wants to go in a cave?
Yeah.
Hit the space bar for jumping, the space bar. This one here's jumping. There, now you can walk around again. You were in the water earlier. There you go.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, see, you're getting the hang
Well,
of
now
it.
it's turned into a dynamite.
Oh yeah, we gotta break these blocks so we can get through. There we go. So I think it's safe to say he's enjoying it. It worked out for him. Again, it's not a super powerful system, but he definitely doesn't need it as a 3-year-old, and I imagine he probably won't even be playing much of it, honestly, at this age. But I do have some things I want him to kind of get used to. Obviously, using the mouse, using the keyboard. It's just his generation. They're going to have to know how to use computers. And the earlier he learns, I think that's going to benefit him in the long run. I want to probably get some programs on there, like some old school things like I grew up with, Jumpstart, first grade, Jumpstart kindergarten, games like that that'll get him used to counting and sorting and used to those things before he gets into school in the next year or two. And then, of course, whenever he wants to play Minecraft, which I think he's learned how to walk now, you know, that'll be a nice pastime for him. There's still a lot of, I think, educational benefits to Minecraft as well, and other games like it. So, worked out really well. His rig looks pretty good. Again, I couldn't really clean up the cable management too much. One of the only downfalls of this case, apart from the polarizing looks. But, oh, did you get stuck on a wall, buddy?
Yeah.
If you want to back up, you got to click the S button right there. I also got to fix this RGB fan. Just gonna need to find an RGB splitter of some sort, and then that will be up and running as well. So, yeah, let me know what you think about this rig in the comment section below. What you think about the case? I'm sure you're either gonna love it or hate it, but he definitely loves it, and that's all I really care about at the end of the day. So, thanks so much for watching. Thanks to Acronis for sponsoring this video, and by the way, you can find all the parts linked down below for this rig if you want to build something very similar, as well as, of course, the Acronis sponsor link. Be sure to show them some support. That really helps us out as well. So thank you for all of that, and thank you for watching. All right, folks, you gonna give them a wave bye-bye?
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for y'all watching.
See ya.